Diamond and graphite are allotropes, meaning they are different forms of the same element. Diamond is a hard, clear solid, while graphite is a dark, greasy solid. Graphite is a form of carbon made by heating coal or wood in the presence of little oxygen. It's very abundant in Earth's crust and highly conductive. It is a native element mineral found in metamorphic and igneous rocks. Graphite is extremely soft, cleaves with very light pressure, and has a very low specific gravity. It does not burn, that's why it's used for high temperature application. These extreme properties give it a wide range of uses in metallurgy and manufacturing. In contrast, graphite is extremely resistant to heat and almost inert in contact with almost any other material. So how is graphite made? Graphite is made from petroleum coke after combining with coal tar pitch, then extruded and shaped, baked to carbonize the binder pitch, and finally heating it to temperatures approaching 3000 degrees Celsius, at which the carbon atoms turn into graphite. What are the uses of graphite? Initially, when graphite was not discovered, people were using lead to draw. They thought it can do the same thing. Graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Its high conductivity makes it useful in electronic products such as electrodes, batteries, solar panels, refractories, nuclear reactors, batteries, and graphene sheets. Graphite is also used in pencil, lubricants, DC motor brushes, traces on electronics, lithium-ion batteries, and carbon rods. So what country produces the most graphite? China is the largest exporter, producing 75 to 8% of the world's graphite. In 2019, it produced an estimated 700,000 metric tons of graphite. There are numerous other countries including Canada, India, Brazil, Sri Lanka, and North Korea. How are pencils made? To produce pencils, graphite powder, water, and clay are combined. First, graphite powder and clay are placed inside a huge rotating drum. Large rocks inside the drum crush the graphite powder and clay into a fine powder. Then water is added, and the mixture is blended in a drum for up to 3 days. Here, the higher the ratio of clay, the harder the lead of pencil. Miners use hammer drills to bore holes for explosives. At the surface, a crusher breaks the ore into small pieces. Then water and oil are added to pulverize it. So what happens if you eat graphite? Despite the name, pencil leads are not made of metal lead that causes lead poisoning. They are just a mixture of clay and graphite, which is pure carbon. So graphite is non-poisonous. If you eat graphite, there may be no symptoms. If symptoms do occur, they may include stomach ache and vomiting, which could be from a blockage, but the person might choke while swallowing the pencil. But the good question would be, why should you eat graphite? I'm not even sure it would be possible to physically consume it, just in case. Oh, I remember eating graphite in primary school. I was just painting my teeth. Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Take care. Stay safe.